specific stand on 16B.
16B was brought in for a particular reason because of that time the regional plan and all was not notified. There were several issues. I'm actually going to it. The matter is sub judice. त्याचबरोबर म्हाका तरी दिसता की आमी जे भूमिका घेतले आमी योग्य तरे तुमकां एक आश्वासनां दिवं शकता की योग्य तरेचे भूमिका घेतले आमकां विचार करून आमकां ते एफिडेविट मॉडिफाय करून आमी जे कितें करतले आमी सरकारची भूमिका कितें आहा ते 16B चे माध्यमांतल्यान आमी कितें केलां 16B चे माध्यमांतल्यान कितले केसीस आमी कन्सिडर करतले आमची जी भूमिका आहा सरकार कितें करूंक सोदता सरकार ह्या मार्ग एक सोल्युशन काडपाक जाय कारण कांय लोकांनी कन्वर्जन्स केल्ले आसा आमी हांगा लोकांचे इंटरेस्ट बी प्रोटेक्ट करूंक जाय त्याचबरोबर मॅटर सबज्युडिस असल्या कारणान वी हॅव टू सी दॅट वी कम क्लीन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कोर्ट and we'll come clean in front of the court and give court such an assurance that the court will be happy that the government is taking a particular stand.
Very nice.
You can be rest assured that at some point of time, as far as Vishwajit Rane is concerned, not a single case will be taken under 16B in any of my meetings.
Very nice.
Second, unless I find a solution from the court, where the court says, okay, fine, and comes to conclude, they take a decision, okay, fine, the decision taken by the government, the affidavit filed by the government is beneficial, and okay, fine, they have also come midway. Not only midway, come 70% of the way, where we are able to find a solution, we will do that and we'll move forward.